In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export tasks from Clickup. This process is pretty straightforward, but let's dive into the details to make sure you don't miss a thing and can complete the export smoothly. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to the Clickup website. Open your favorite web browser and type in clickup.com in the address bar. Once you've reached the home page, you'll notice the Login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that button to start the login process. Now, if you're like most people and use your Google account to manage various services, ClickUp makes this easy. You can simply click on Continue with Google. A prompt will appear, allowing you to select the Google account you want to use, pick the appropriate account, and you're in. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner again and click on your profile icon. This is your gateway to accessing various settings within ClickUp, and our target today is nestled right in there. Now, look for and click on Settings. This is where you'll find the options you need for exporting your tasks. Within the Settings menu, you're going to want to find the Imports Exports tab. Clicking this will navigate you to the area where you can start exporting your tasks. All your relevant import and export settings are managed from here. Next, click on Start Export. Don't worry, you're not immediately committing to anything right here. This is just the first actionable step in the process. After you click that, you might encounter a choice or two specific to how your ClickUp account is organized. But generally, this step should be pretty straightforward. Finally, you'll need to confirm your intention by clicking on Start Export once more. This second click is what actually begins the download process, packaging your tasks into a file for your external use. Be sure to know where your downloads go on your computer since you'll want to access the file once it's complete. This entire process from login to download is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. However, keep in mind that larger teams with more tasks might experience slightly longer export times. But follow these steps and you'll have your ClickUp tasks exported in no time. So there you have it, a quick and clear guide to exporting tasks from ClickUp. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day.